Hi, everybody. Welcome to this week 14 module video. And for week 14, we're going to be covering section 5.2. So I know this is Thanksgiving week and Los Madonnas is closed Thursday and Friday. I'm not sure if you all are at other universities and you might have a week off. So let's go ahead and keep this a pretty relaxed week. We're only going to cover one section, 5.2. Some deadlines are being pushed back or to accommodate the break, and it's going to be a pretty uh, easygoing week. So let's go ahead and look through our overview of learning objectives for this week um, to cover. So learning objectives, once again, it's a pretty short section, 5.2. So it's going to be some small learning objectives. We're really learning one more tool for integration, which is called substitution. And we're going to use that to evaluate indefinite integrals and definite integrals. So for this week, you're going to be covering or hopefully watch section 5.2 videos that are created. You're going to do XYZ homework 17, which is about 5.2. You're going to create or complete a self-check for 5.2 and lab 9, which is about 5.2. Couple problems to skip in there that I note in the lab assignment, so make sure to watch out for that. And if you're watching this video, you know you can always find it here for week 14 video. So once again, let's go ahead and look through our small learning objectives. Just we're learning about substitution and a new tool to solve for integration. So here are the lecture videos for section 5.2. It's just 3 videos, part 1, part 2, and part 3. So make sure to check those out. And these go along with our self-check because our self-check, because of the Thanksgiving week, is going to be a pretty relaxed week. It's just going to be submitting in the notes from the lecture video. We did this last week, and let's go ahead and do it again because with this new technique, I can give you as many problems as you want, but it'll just be kind of, overinflating the concept. So for this self-check, it's not a new problem set. It's just uploading the notes. So for section 5.2, what you got to upload for self-check assignment is just all of example 2 in the notes. So I think it's A through I, A through H. Just go ahead and submit all of those, watch our videos, and copy them down. And that's the self-check for this week. Okay. So once I said before, it's Thanksgiving week, let's go ahead and keep it relaxed. The one thing to know about this is that we have a conflicting date with the Wednesday 27th, the day before Thanksgiving. I want you to complete this before Thanksgiving, just to show that we're doing at least something during the week. So get that in by Wednesday midnight. I know we have Lab 8 due Wednesday midnight, so however you can get those in together, that'd be great. I'm uploading this module early so that you can get a head start on it, but uh, conflicting deadline, but due to the Thanksgiving break, have to get something in there. Okay. So that's our self-check, pretty easy. Hopefully you're taking notes already, so it shouldn't be any more work than usual. But we have also a 5.2 XYZ assignment. Make sure to get that done as well. Other change deadline, the XYZ assignments are usually due on Fridays, but because of the holiday on Thursday, Friday, I don't want anything due on a Friday, so I'm pushing it to Sunday midnight. Okay, so this would be to do Sunday. Make sure to get that done. And our discussion, I'm pushing that a day as well. This is going to be due by Monday and Tuesday. So your reply due Monday, your response is due Tuesday. I'm pushing that back because I pushed the XYZ deadline to Sunday. So just give you guys another day to do your discussion. So make sure to do that. And here's your Lab 9 assignment. And this is still due a Wednesday. So we're keeping that same deadline. Only thing I'm not doing this week is a quiz. So you don't have to worry about that. But Lab 9, 5.2, you know where to find it. And then I give you some hints about what to use for you. And then I'm telling you what problems to skip. So skip that first number 8 and skip that first number 18. So that is a lab assignment for this material. So like I said before, it's a pretty short week. We have 2 days off. So I don't want to give you guys a bunch of material to worry about. And hopefully you complete all these assignments. Check yourself. And this is going to lead us into our last week of material for week 15. We're almost done with the semester. And then our final in week 16. But that's it for this video. I'm uploading it early so you guys have it in case you have any plans next week. You're going out of town or anything. You want to get hit started on the weekend. But let me know if you have any questions and have a good break. Okay. Thank you. Bye.